can you spell it? G-O, go. Say it loud and say it clear. Go is a word we love to hear. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Let's spell it. G-O, go.
Today's sight word is go. Can you say it? Go. Great! Now let's spell it together. G. Oh. Go. Amazing! Go is a word we use a lot. Let's say it one more time. Go. You're doing great. Keep practicing and you'll be a reading superstar.